Hi, my name is Fee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the Embed Elements in your Foleon. Open your Foleon in the editor. Click on Elements and drag in an Embed Element. Then a pop-up will appear. This asks you of a URL. You can find the URL in the source of what you want to embed. For example, an Instagram post. Go to Instagram and find the post that you want to embed in your Foleon. Click on the three dots of the post. Click on Embed and choose whether you want to include the caption or not, and copy the embedded code. Paste the code into your notes. Find the URL of the Instagram post and copy it. Paste it into the embed source in Foleon and type embed behind it. Click on preview and click on save. That's how to embed an Instagram post in your Foleon. Thank you for watching.